Hey folks, so may latest update tayo dun sa Sampatita Girl kung hindi kayo updated. So ang name niya pala is Jenny. Then she's actually 18 years old. She just looks small and she's not part of a syndicate. So Mandaluyong City Police confirmed this. And yung chief mismo nila ang nagsabi na the girl is a scholar. So actually, she was helping out by selling sampagita kasi nga yung bahay nila sa QC na demolish. So kawawa naman. And the thing is, yung mga magulang na interview na rin, actually may exclusive ang ABS-CBN. Wow, kudos sa inyo, ang galing niyo, nahanap niyo sila. Na hindi naman sila magsasampa sa guard. Kaya nga lang, yung mga rights group nga, si HR, gustong tumulong and baka ma-imposean yung guard ng penalty as well as ma-withdraw yung license siya as security. So ano po ibig sabihin nun? Ibig sabihin, bukod sa ban siya sa SM, which is yun na yung nangyari, di ba, issue yung SM ng kanilang statement, hindi na siya makakapag-security ever. So, yeah, kawawa talaga. But ganun eh. Consequences have actions. She shouldn't have tried to kick the girl. And, yeah, si Jenny, may nag-interview sa kanyang vlogger. Hindi ko pa na-watch yung full interview. But basically, we can really see na, yun nga, binibili yung sampagita niya. And also, hindi pala siya aware na binidyohan siya. So actually, yun yung nasa ano ngayon, baka pwede kasuhan yung vlogger or anything. But I doubt may makakaso doon. Kasi actually, it even help her out eh. And hindi na nga siya minor. Kaya nga lang, yun, she's actually a private person. Ayaw niya masangkot sa ganyan. So, gusto sana niya ipa-take down yung video. Pero yun, kumalat na nga. And, yan, hopefully, the situation is an eye-opener for us na ganun eh. There are people who don't have a lot in life and the least we can do is be kind. I mean, di ba, yung security, at least may job siya and everything. Baka he doesn't have to help his parents. His house didn't get demolished naman. I mean, yeah, kawawa mo na walang license. Pero sana naisip niya before he tried to kick the girl. Which is kaya naman naging aggressive yung girl, yun yung dinidepensa ng iba. Sinira yung sampagita eh. Could have just driven out the girl, carried her. That is actually medyo allowed naman. Yeah. You can actually be carried. He can ask the assistance of the other guard kasi kung isa lang, di ba, baka may matouch tayong medyo maselang bahagi dyan and maso naman for harassment. You can, di ba, 2 guards can carry 1 girl, di ba, na palayo. So, yun lang.